thought you were going to meet me.
Put one of those poles on that end.
What's going on, LeTippers? Reed Petrie, Brings Home Security. I'm out here knocking doors on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. It's Memorial Day weekend. I just knocked the door actually, and the crazy part was he didn't want security, but what he wanted was he actually wanted somebody to come help him out with his roof. And I said, you know what? I'm actually part of a networking group. I know a guy, Calvin Bennett, part of High Bar Roofing and Reconstruction. They do a fantastic job. They do a great walkthrough, free inspections. They'll make sure and go through all your insurance needs, make sure all that's taken care of. And the great thing about the networking group I'm in, LeTip, just come hang out. If you're looking to put dollars in your pockets, you're looking to expand your network and make a family with a group of individuals that are professional and caring towards, you know, whatever profession they're in, come hang out. Come join LeTip. Come see what we can do for you. Reed Petrie, Brings Home Security. Thanks.